I just want to show you just one more thing before I let you go for now. So this is what I just showed you, and if you click the index file over here, so I'm just going to use this one now, and this is what I see. This is kind of just the file if you want to see it, but you can also click the actual link over here where you typed in your commit, and now can actually see the specific areas I changed. So in our case, the red means this is what's been changed or deleted, and the green is this is what's been added. And this is kind of just a short way to show online. This is also something you can use with the merging tool. So this has been added by this user, and this has been added by this user. But I just want to make a change to my index file, so I'm just quickly going to do this. Soon, just a lot of S's. So that's 5 S's. I do a commit right now. And I'm gonna make a kind of a merge problem here, because right now, these are two different versions. So I have this one up here, and I have the other one up here. So that's kind of version 1.1 online, and I have version 0.1 on my local machine. So this should give me some problems. So what if I do a git status now? So it says, okay, I wanna try and do my git commit now, because I just did awesome work, awesome stuff, and end. It says, okay, let's try this, and let's do the git push right now. It's going to say this is not really good because we're rejecting, please, because there's a problem with the versions. This is mine. This is the online one. I can't push if there's been a change from another user that's gone up, and I did similar changes in the same file, I want to push it up, I'm going to have a conflict. So what can we do to actually change this? So we can try doing git pull. What happens if I do a git pull? So it's also aborting right now because there's change in the same file in the actual same line. So that's kind of, oh my god, what do I do now? So it states here you can actually do a merge if you want to do something similar like this. So you can either go through each line by yourself and then merge into a new line, or you can just say, well, the work I did I can just quickly do again, because the person uploaded more than mine. I don't want to combine everything, so I can do something called a git reset -- hard, and then I type origin/master like this. What that does is it actually just overwrites the things I just did here with the whatever I wrote, and it overwrites my file with the one online and then removing the conflict. Now this is just one way of doing this. It's probably not the best way. It's not, you're not merging things in together, we're just removing the conflict by force pulling down the version online to my computer. So right now I am completely up to date on the updated version online, and now I can just change this back to the booth like this, and I can do my commit, git commit, much cool stuff again, whatever, like this, and I can do my git push. So now the online version, once I hit refresh, should say the new like this, because it's now being pushed to the online version. So go back to my awesome browser, go into, whoops, not that one, go into this one, and there might be a slight issue, slight delay from this part to this when we do this, but it will update to that version you just did here. But that's a way of actually solving a conflict if you have one, to make sure that this can only go from your computer. You can only solve it on your computer, so the changes you made will be the ones that are deleted, and you're just overriding to the correct version on online. But every time you start working, make sure you do a git status and git pull, so everything is in the same version. But that's kind of just a short extra video of how you can, if you run into small problems, how you can do a hard reset on your computer so it's in the same version as the online one.